Hello everyone, welcome to HRpreparation.com, India's first online institute for HR competitive exams. Today we are going to discuss about IBPS Mains SO HR previous year paper analysis. Here you can find 5 different year previous papers, including very recent paper from Bank of Maharashtra. Why we added Bank of Maharashtra here? The Bank of Maharashtra SOHR was conducted by IBPS. So the exam pattern may be different, but the question pattern may similar to the upcoming exam. So that is the reason we added this Bank of Maharashtra SOHR paper here for your practice and understanding. As you know that IBPS conducts SO exam in every year. So it's yearly once and it consists of 2 different patterns like prelims exam and mains exam. This is about mains exam. In mains exam, there are 60 questions for 45 minutes. Let's jump into the previous paper analysis part. Now, let's discuss about 2017. From the 2017 previous year paper, so we can find 3 questions from the general management. One is from functions of management, one is from business environment, one from strategic management. Coming to the HRM, from human resource management there were 16 questions, 2 from foundations of HRM, 2 from human resource planning, 3 from job analysis, 2 from recruitment and selection, 1 from placement and induction, 1 questions from compensation management and other benefits, managing separation, HRIS, IHRM and recent trends, 1 from quality circles, 1 from quality of work life. So these were the questions, like 16 questions from the human resource management. There were 9 questions asked from HRD, 1 question from the fundamentals of HRD, 3 questions from the performance appraisal, 2 questions from the training and development, 1 from the career management, 2 from the reward and recognition. So these were the 9 questions from HRD, human resource development. Coming to organizational behavior, there were 13 questions were asked from the organizational behavior, 2 questions from fundamentals of OB, 2 questions from individual behavior, 1 question from the group behavior and team building, 2 questions from motivational theories, 2 questions from leadership theories, 1 from organization culture and climate, 2 from emotions and stress management, 1 from conflict management. Coming to industrial relations, there were 7 questions were asked from industrial relations, 2 from foundations of IR, 1 from grievance dispute, 2 from collective bargaining. So these were the questions, and 2 more questions from trade unions. So total 7 questions were asked from industrial relations. Coming to labor legislation part. Under labor legislation, so there were 3 questions from labor legislation part, one from principles of labor legislation, 1 is from International Labor Organization or ILO, 1 is from wage theories. Coming to the labor welfare and market. From the labor welfare and market, so there were 2 questions asked from labor welfare and market, one from fundamentals or foundations of labor welfare and market, and 1 more from labor administration. Coming to labor laws. So there were 7 questions asked from labor laws, 1 question from ESI Act, Payment of Bonus Act, Industrial Dispute Act, Trade Unions Act, Minimum Wages Act, Industrial Employment or Standing Orders Act, and 1 from Factors Act 1948. This previous paper analysis will help you to crack your exam, because this is the actually basic idea on the exam and the question pattern. So if you understand the questions from which topic, more questions from the which topic, then only you can understand and you can focus on it more. So then you can spend more time and you can understand it more. Then only you can able to answer the question in the real-time exam. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this video is very helpful for your preparation. If you like this video, please share with your friends and share in your WhatsApp group, Telegram groups, wherever you are in social media. Thank you very much for watching this video.